Hi guys, and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to be giving you a tip that I have been finding very useful, that I've been using for my practice display stands, and I'll show you what I mean right now. Okay, so when I'm talking about display stands, I'm talking about something like this, which I use to practice with. These little guys, which go on the crystals, which go on this. These little guys that go on the crystals. Okay, so my tip is, rather than using the poster tack that we all use, I have a better thing that you can use to adhere the nail to the little stand temporarily, but it stays on better, and so you're able to put a little more pressure on it. You're able to work on it better without the nail just popping off like usually happens with the poster tack. What I have been using is a hot glue gun, but this is Cool Temp. Okay, this one is called Cool Tool. I actually found this one at Walmart for around $5, and it came with about 10 glue sticks, and this is Cool Temp, and this one is really good. It's double insulation, double isolation, and it's been working really well. And I'm going to show you how I do it and how easily it comes off and that there's no damage. So I'm going to just attach some of this glue onto the nail. Then I'm going to stick it on the display stand. Okay, I'm going to let that cool off. I'm going to do it on these so you can see what happens with this. Usually what happens is this is a coating. The silver here is a coating, and underneath it's usually black like this. And what I experienced is it usually doesn't come off. This coating doesn't come off, but it may, a little piece of it may, once you've repeatedly used it over and over. But what does it matter? It's just the top. It's going to be covered by your nail anyway, and it's going to look great when you finish your nail and you show it in your video. Okay, so I did that one. I'm going to do this one. This one is at an angle, and you guys have seen these too, I'm sure. Okay. All right, so, and you can even use it on your practice hand. This one right here is attached with some of the glue from the glue stick, and it's pretty sturdy. Now when you want to pop it off, it pops right off, and you can clean that glue off of the back of the nail if you need to, and the inside of the finger is pretty much intact. Okay, and that helps because these pop off pretty easily also when you're doing your practice. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what happens when you want to pop the nail off and you want to reuse your stand. You just pop it off, you pry it off. Whoops. Okay, this didn't break, it just, the little bottom came off. And there is your nail. And I used a lot of glue on this one, and you saw how easy it was to pop it off. Let me show you these. Pops right off. Okay, and then you just remove what's left behind on here, and you can reuse it. Okay, and the way I remove it, I usually pry it off. Comes right off. And if you need to, you clean it with a little alcohol and just get that off, and you can reuse it and it's fine. Here's a black one. Popped right off. See? And here finally is this one. Popped right off. Okay, so that is a tip for you guys to use for your displays. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys find this helpful. As I said, it has to be a cool temp hot glue gun, not a hot one, because if you buy a hot one, you might melt these displays. Okay, so it has to be cool glue. All right, so take care everyone. Thanks for tuning in. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.